Hey, is it possible for you to make high-ticket commissions helping small business owners and never selling them a single thing? It is with this affiliate program, and I'm going to break it down for you right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make high-ticket commissions helping small business owners get money from the government that they're owed. Now, I know you're going to say, Anthony, come on, I don't want to do that. That's not for me. It's not really something I want to do. Listen to me. I've heard all of that. I've had all the feedback and the pushback from people, but guess what? The people that have paid attention to me, listened, and actually done this are loving it. There's over 10,000 people. I want to be very clear, 10,000 people that are now part of our community that are doing this. And here's the great part, it's free. This is an absolutely 110% free opportunity for you. And I'm going to break down for you exactly how to do it. If you haven't been on my channel before, my name is Anthony Morrison. I would love if you'd click that follow button right now, subscribe, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that each and every time I put out one of these trainings, you'll obviously be notified. Now, I've been doing internet marketing for over 20 years, and what I've always found is that there's this obstacle, this thing that keeps you or many people around the world from succeeding. And you know what that thing is? It's that they actually have to understand internet marketing. They have to understand how to put an ad on Facebook. You have to understand how to have social media and post on all these channels, and that's not something that everybody really wants to do, and it's not something that everybody even understands. The great thing about this opportunity, the great thing about this affiliate program is you don't have to have a website. You don't have to put any ads on the Facebook. You don't have to have a social media platform at all. You don't have to have any of that stuff. You can literally do this for free, so I've removed the money obstacle for you. And you can do this without having a single bit of internet marketing knowledge, not any at all. So I've removed that obstacle. So literally, this is the thing that every single person watching this video should be doing. If you're excited and you want me to break this down for you, just put yes in the comment box below. I want to see lots and lots and lots of comments going in the box right below. Just say yes, 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 yes if you're excited about learning how this is done. I'm going to break it all down for you here in just a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump here to my whiteboard app. All right, so the biggest question that I get from people is, why should I do this? And I think the best answer is, obviously, you can make money, okay? And this is the great part. It's free, right? So just like I mentioned earlier, this costs you absolutely nothing. So it's just not logical for you to not take advantage of this, because this is the only time that I've ever seen where literally you can sign up for an affiliate program, you can make money with it completely free. You don't have to sell anything to anybody. You don't have to have websites and funnels and ads and all these really complex things that hold you back. So that's the main reason, okay? So a lot of people ask, what is ERC? This is called the Employee, okay, Retention Credit. Now, let me break down to you what this, how this happened and really why it happened. Basically, we had COVID hit, right? And when COVID hit, the government put out two different programs, PPP and ERC, okay? This program right here, okay, the PPP, and I'll just zoom in for you, this program was a loan, okay? And you probably saw a lot of people got that PPP loan. This was something that all the banks were pushing and most people heard about it. Most people did not hear about ERC. This is a credit, okay? It's not a loan, right? But most people did not get this opportunity, this ERC credit. So, under the first administration, it was an either or. You could get one or the other. What happened recently was that the government made a change, and they said you could have both. If you qualify for both of these, you can actually get both funding from both, right? Well, that's a huge game changer, because there's millions of small business owners that do not know that this employee retention credit is set aside for them. The government literally has hundreds of billions of dollars set aside to give to small business owners to help them. And this is an employee retention credit. It's basically a payroll credit. It's not a handout from the government. It's not free money. It's a refund. It's a refund for what you've already spent, right? So now that we know this exists, let's take a look at how we make money from it. We know what it is. We know why it's there. We know that a lot of businesses don't even understand that it exists or that they could qualify for it. So the question is, how do we make money from this? Well, there's an affiliate program, okay? So there's an affiliate program that is designed to allow you to be able to make money from it. Here's why. There's all these small businesses, okay? We're just going to put them out here to the side. Okay, there's all these small businesses. And then there's this ERC money, okay? And so the question is, how do we get the small businesses to the ERC money, okay? And what is the path that it takes? Well, first and foremost, that small business owner is going to have to determine, do they qualify, and they're going to have to do the paperwork. And that's where a company comes in that does the basically they do the filing, okay, and they do the verification. So basically they verify if the small business qualifies for the money, and then they do all the paperwork for them. That's the company that we want you to be an affiliate for. Why? Because that's the company that's going to be able to pay you a commission. All right, so we'll break all this down. By the way, I'm going to give you a completely free course to walk you through all of this in just a minute. So you've got this company, all right? They then want to find more small businesses. See, that they need to get small business owners to them because that's how they make money. So what do? They go out and they get people like you and I. We are affiliates, right? So we are affiliates, okay? This is business owners. We are affiliates. And essentially what we do is we go out and we find a business owner, and we take that business owner and we deliver that business owner to this company that will file for the ERC for them, verify, do all the paperwork. It's completely free. Costs them absolutely nothing. $0 to do this, to find out if they even qualify for this money. Then the filing company will go and they'll file this with the government to get this ERC money. Now, the ERC money will then go back to the business owner, okay? Look, we've had people get $7 million, $8 million. We're just going to use some math, and we're just going to say that this company, for this example, gets $1 million, okay? Here's what happens. Once that company gets that money, and they put that money in the bank, once they've got their check, basically what they'll do is they'll split off 20 to 30% of that check goes to the filing company. So in this particular case, we'll just go with $200,000, okay? So now, the small business is going to end up with 800,000 of their million, okay? They paid the filing company 200 grand to do the work, which is it's a lot of work. And here's the thing, they didn't have to pay anything up front. Not a single penny, not a single dollar, not a credit card, not nothing. So if they didn't qualify for any money, or if they never got their check from the IRS, they don't have to pay anything. It's completely free. All the work that they do is free. Accountants are charging thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to do this. This company's charging nothing up front. Now, how do you get paid? Well, it's real simple. Once the 20 to 30% goes back to the filing company, they are going to then turn around and pay you, the affiliate, 10% of their fee. So in this case, it would be 20 grand. I want you to think about that, okay? $20,000. So look at how the math breaks down. The business owner gets 800,000, okay? You get 20,000, and the company that did all the work ends up with $180,000. This is how this program works. Now, right below this video, there is a link that gives you access to a completely free course that I have built that teaches you how this is done. Yes, it's free. No, it doesn't cost any money. No, there's not a free trial. It is truly just free. You never have to give me your credit card number. This is what the course looks like. So this is the inside of this training course that I built. You can see there's multiple sessions and modules, okay? Inside of here, there's a Facebook community where if you were to go in the Facebook community, you can see there's 10,400 members in this Facebook community, and there are people getting deals. I mean, if we scroll through here, we're going to probably see there's a deal, $318,000 deal alert. Here's another deal alert. Somebody got signed deals. Like all these deals are done, right? So there's deal alerts in here. You can have access to the Facebook group, to our Telegram group, and then to all the training sessions that I've put together that show you how to do this. And in session 1, I show you how to sign up as an affiliate. So you can see right here, become an affiliate. It is free. I want to stress to you the fact that it is free, okay? I dare you, test me out, try me. Click the link below. I don't ask you for any money. Why is it free? Because I make a commission when you do, okay? It's real simple. The more I can teach you, educate you, and push you to do this, the more money I can make. You don't even need a website. You don't need any marketing experience. Literally, you can start with just businesses in your local area. Go to them and say, hey, look, did you know that you could possibly get some ERC credits? I talked to my high school that I graduated from. They got checks. They're literally getting over $4 million in ERC credits. $4 million. Had I talked to them first, had I known about this, like I'm sharing it with you, that $4 million would have probably been about an $800,000 fee, and I probably would have made 80 grand by that phone call. Unbelievable. I mean, that's how the math breaks down, but I didn't get that deal. They had already done it. Somebody else had already gotten it. So time is of the essence. If you click the link that you see below, you can get access to my course that teaches you how to do this. This is a high-ticket affiliate commission program that costs you nothing to join. You never have to sell anything, and you can earn high-ticket commissions. The math that I just broke down in this scenario where somebody made 20 grand, like that's legitimate math. These business owners are getting big checks, 6- and 7-figure checks. So like, this is not an, oh, by the way, every once in a while we get a 7-figure deal. Like, that's what's really happening. There are people that are doing well with this that have never done well with a thing in their life on the internet. You need to be a part of this. Click the link that you see below. Get access to this course right now to break it down for you. It's free. You have nothing to lose by getting the course. It's free. Cost you nothing. So get it right now. Once you get it, I want you to leave me a comment below and say, I got the course, I got the course. And once you see that it's free, say it really is free, because I want more people to see this. And if you enjoyed this training and you got something out of this, please smash the like button for me, right? Like, actually like this. Share it with people on YouTube. Like, show YouTube that this is quality training that they should share with other people, because the more people we can get doing this, the more business owners we can help. The more business owners we can help, the more we help the economy, and we help your personal economy, because you're getting paid to do it. It's a win-win. Everybody wins when somebody gets paid. And that's a great ecosystem to be a part of. And we don't make a single penny unless you're doing well, unless you actually make money with this, right? And that's what I think it makes it a no-brainer for you. So click the link, get the course, leave us a comment, and I look forward to seeing you next week with another affiliate marketing training.